Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the real-time market data on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on Tradovate and then log in into your account. When you are inside, simply just click on the option of application settings. Over here, you need to go to the subscriptions. Now inside the subscriptions, when you scroll down a bit, you will find the option of market data. So you need to simply just click on the option of subscribe, and then you just have to click on the option of open your account. So over here, as soon as you do this, you are going to see the available exchange data subscriptions. For regular live prices in the charts, the level 1 data is generally what you need. If you want deeper order book information through the DOM, you can also check the available level 2 options for your required exchange. Now you can also select the metadata feed if you need, and you can also basically review the subscription and also complete the payment. Now Tradovate allows market data subscriptions to be paid using the debit and the credit card or your Tradovate account balance as well. So then you need to go back to the account settings, subscriptions, again look for the option of market data and make sure that the subscription is active. Then you can return to the chart and then you can just simply check that the futures prices are updating in real time. So that's how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.